subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching iQoo Neo 5 back in March this year, the company is now reportedly working on the successor of it as iQoo Neo 6. And before the launch, the upcoming smartphone front look and key specification has spotted on Google Play Console listing. According to listing, the iQoo Neo 6 will support Full HD Plus display with curved edges, and it has a hole punch cutout in the top center for selfie camera. The phone will come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, coupled with Adreno 660 GPU, and it is listed to pack with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of onboard storage. The handset will run on Android 11 out of the box, and additionally, the smartphone also spotted on Chinese 3C certification site that suggests the phone to support 66W fast charging. Apart from this, there is no other details of iQoo Neo 6 smartphone has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the iQoo Neo 6 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.